Hey guys, I want to welcome you back to another episode on J of All Trades. Today, I want to do a quick review of this Atomic 5/8 inch SDS Plus DeWalt hammer drill. And everything that you see in front of me here, I got for $200 because it was on sale. That's right, all of this was for just $200. That includes the hammer drill, that includes a 5 amp hour battery, and also a 2 amp hour battery with the charger. Now, that sounds like a pretty good deal to me. So I just couldn't pass it up because everyone knows that these batteries are not cheap. Everything that I'm going to be reviewing today will have links in the description, so you can go out there and check it out if you'd like. Keep in mind, I'm not being sponsored, so I'm doing this review solely on me going out and actually purchasing this hammer drill and using it on an actual job. Now, you're going to notice that this hammer is very tiny. And the first thing I thought when I took it out of the box was, wow, that's a very tiny hammer drill. Does this thing really have enough power to drill holes into concrete? And on top of that, it is super light. How light? Let's try 3.5 pounds with just the bare tool. That's just unbelievable. And even with the battery in there, I still feel like I can operate it even with one hand. Now, you probably don't want to do that in case it binds up on you because you'll end up twisting your wrist. But to be honest with you, this thing feels really light and it seems like it's going to be really comfortable to drill holes upside down as well. All right, so before we see this thing in action, let's take a look at some of the features here. All right, the first thing here is a selector at the top here that is showing some arrows here. So we have two arrows. One is for going forward and one is for reverse. On the other side, we've got this nice sturdy handle here, and it really does feel comfortable. And if you loosen this up, you can slide this forward and then change the position of the handle very quickly. And I really like that feature. It allows you to really just change it, move it forward, and just kind of snap it in place to wherever you'd like. That really happens very quickly. Now, the depth gauge is also tightened by the same handle. So that kind of gives it a nice ease of use to set your depth gauge here. And you could just quickly loosen that, move this forward, and just tighten it down, and you're all set to go. On this side as well, you're going to notice a mode selector here. And there are only two modes. You have drill and you have hammer drill. Now, on larger versions of these type of hammer drills, you're going to notice that it has three modes. It'll have these two as well as a mode that just hammers. Now, personally, I think that the hammer feature is also extremely useful, especially if you want to remove tiles or just chip away at concrete. And this just does not have that feature. So that's going to be a drawback when you're purchasing this thing. Now, this hammer drill also has active vibration control here. So it helps with the vibration and you really don't get that shock right into your arm, which can cause some arm pain later on. So I really like that about this. So it's time to put this thing to the test in a real world situation and let's see how it does. All right, in that demonstration, this thing did very well with drilling very tiny holes, as you can see, not a very big bit. And I was able to even operate this thing with one hand. I wouldn't recommend that, but hey, you can actually operate it with one hand. So with these thin bits, it performs well. Now, let's step it up to a 3/8 inch bit. It's about maybe 3 times more thicker than this one. So we'll put it to the test and see how it does. Now, I want you to pay attention to the variable speed that we have on this thing because it's great. You can start out slow and then gradually speed up if you want. And I really like the control that you have. Here you can see that I can spin this super slow and I can gradually just step it up. I really love that about this. So with these two bits, it performed pretty well. Now let's step it up to a 1/2 inch bit. And not only the thickness, but we're gonna step it up with the length of the bit. We're gonna go all the way through that 4-inch concrete. And here you can see that this hammer drill was able to drill through the solid block in less than 1 minute. And I really pushed it there to see how fast I could do that. So we've proven that this SDS-Plus hammer drill is great for anchors and light duty concrete work. But when it comes to large diameter holes, you can't use this. And I'll tell you why. This only produces 1.4 joules of impact energy. And that's just not enough to make large diameter holes. And I actually put that to the test. I have in front of me here a 2 3/4 inch concrete hole saw. And I actually attempted to make a hole through that same concrete block using this tool. And you guys have probably guessed it already. That did not work out well. Take a look. All right, guys, here I'm trying to penetrate this concrete, and this hammer drill just does not have enough power to penetrate with this hole saw. And as you can see, it's not really making any sort of advancements here. It's just sort of rubbing against the surface, and it's really struggling to penetrate. Well, there you have it, guys. I've definitely pushed this little hammer drill to its limits. So, who is this hammer drill for? It's for people who are doing light duty work. Nothing extreme, nothing with big holes, just light duty work. That means drilling holes into concrete and putting in anchors. This thing is perfect. It's very light and it's super easy to handle, and you can use it overhead for a very long time. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today on this quick review. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys on the next one.